Hey there, Tad Hargrave from marketingforhippies.com. Today's video is about niching, and this was something a friend of mine, Kim, said to me. She said it was something maybe I'd shared, and it gave her this realization like, oh, working outside of your niche is really boring and frustrating. It'll make you miserable. Let me just underline that here. Working outside of your niche is boring. It's unfulfilling. It's a drag. When you're working with clients that aren't a fit for you, you don't, by definition, if they're not an ideal client, you enjoy it less. You know you have clients that light you up. Clients that are such a joy. If you're a university professor, you know there's students, you're thrilled they're in the class, and other ones, like, oh, why are they here? Why are they taking this class? You know it's just an option for them and they don't give a shit. So, it's the same with our clients. Same with dating, same with friendships. There are people we really get lit up by and people we don't. And if we surround ourselves in our business with clients who are not a good fit, we'll just be bored, frustrated, miserable all the time. We're not going to enjoy our work. We're not going to be lit up. So I really recommend thinking it through, really getting clear. Who do I want to work with? Who's my ideal client? And I got a ton of support on that for free on YouTube. You can check it out. Just go to my playlists. You'll probably see it above this video or somewhere. If you go to my channel, you'll see it, videos, playlists. Click on that and just type the word niche or niching and you'll see all kinds of videos. There's so much in it. In fact, I've got it all together. If you go to marketingforhippies.com/steps and go to step 2, you'll see all my content on niching is there. So get clear. Just for your own fulfillment, your own satisfaction. You know, why be miserable? Any fool can be miserable in their work, but it takes a lot of care to design it so that you're surrounded constantly by the kind of clients who you can best help and who you most enjoy being around. And then it's win-win-win for everybody. There you go. That's my video for today. Real short, quick and easy. Thanks for coming by. Marketingforhippies.com is my website. Feel free to subscribe, hit the red button and the bell icon, and we'll see you in the next video.